Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today in the 10th class, one of the important topic about the logarithms. So the previous classes we have discussed few other things about the rational and irrational and proving irrationality, and the final topic of the real numbers chapter is logarithms. So where logarithms is actually very easy to solve, but most of the students have been observed that feeling little difficulty. So once they understand the way of solving and the procedure, then it is easy to be solve the problems. So before that, let us understand what are the identities of the logarithms. So how we are going to apply into the problems. So how we can able to solve the problems by using those logarithm identities, let us see. So please once let me have once look have this. Now log x y. So log x into y can be written as log x plus log y. So before that, let us see once how to read. So once it is in exponential form, a power n is equal to x. Okay. So is equal to, we can able to write as log x to the base a. So we have to read as log x to the base a is equal to n. Log x to the base a is equal to n. So this is the exponential form to logarithm form. Okay. So let us see now. Log xy to the base a can be written as log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Okay. So x into y. Please observe the process. Okay. Log xy is equal to, we can able to write log x plus log y. The into the product is written as sum. So next one, see log x by y. Log x by y to the base a can be written as log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. So please understand these two. Okay, when it is in the product, so we can able to expand as sum. When it is as division, so we can able to write as difference. So please remember in easy way, product can be written as the form of sum and the division can be written in the form of difference. So these two, just observe these two. Then next come to another two. Log x to the power m to the base a is equal to, the power can be written as multiplicand. So m into log x to the base a. Then next one more, log x power m to the base y power n. So here log value and base value, both of them having the powers. So these two can be written as m by n log x to the base y. So please observe the difference between these two and the difference between these two. Okay, just understand it, then easily we can solve the problem. Next, log x power 0 means log of any value when it has a power 0, that value equal to 1. So whatever it may be the power, like log 5 power 0, log 7 power 0, when the log value have the power as 0, can be written as 1. Next, log a to the base a. When log value and the base value, when both of them are same, the value is also considered as 1. So please observe, this is very important because in the objective, so most of the times they were questioning you in the objective. So please, log x power 0 means log any value when it has power 0, that is equal to 1, and when the log value and the base value, when both of them are same, that value is considered as 1. For example, like log 10 to the base 10. Okay, right. So these of the 7, once you remember, once you note down, then we can solve the problems very easily. So before we solving into the problems, once we have to observe logarithms, what kind of questions in this? So only two things we have to observe. One is expanding and one is short form. So expanding to short form. So if you understand these two, when it is given, nothing but this is expanded, this is short form. That's it. Identity only. Apply the identity, simplify the problem. So here it is short form, this is expanded. So these are the expanding, these are the short form. So that is what we can able to solve the problems in easy way. Okay guys, today in this session, let us see now exponential form to logarithmic form and logarithm form to exponential form and some of the expanding form to short form. We will see of them. Okay, I hope you understand these of the formulas which are identities which are very helpful to solve our exercise problems. Okay, So one example, let us take, for example, 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So this is exponential form. So don't confuse, I will tell you the small trick, then easy to solve any of this. Okay, now here let us write the logarithm form. See, this is a base. The base doesn't change in the exponential form or logarithmic form. Please observe, the base won't be changed. So that now we are writing the logarithm. So base, we said base is same. So base position, base is same, no changes. Now the power and the value just shift them. So that 32 is equal to, the answer is 5. So why we are getting the 5? Okay, when we are expanding, then we understand. So see here, 2 power 5 value is how much? 32. This is the exponential form and this is the logarithmic form. So generally already we have written, that is nothing but a power n is equal to x can be written as log, the base is same as it is, okay, x is equal to n. So this is the general form of exponential form to logarithm. So where we are substituted here, okay, right. So I hope you understand, base won't be changed, base place, base is clear, only the power and the value would be changes the places. I hope you understand, right. Let us see one more example, then you understand very well, right. So 3 power 4, it is equal to 81. I hope now you can write very fast, right. Log, what is we have write? The base, what is the base here? 3 place 3 as it is. So the power and the value will be changes, 81 is equal to 4, that's it. So this is the way of writing from exponential to logarithm and logarithm to exponential. When you are writing logarithm to exponential, base won't be changed and the value of the logarithm and the value, okay, when both of them shift, okay. This is the way of the writing of exponential and logarithms, okay. I hope you understand. Let us go for the next topic, that is what? Simplified form to the expanded form, right. Expand log 24. Expand log 24. First upon 24, let us write into the factors, like nothing but product of factors, okay. So the log 24, so in this 24 what do we have? So 2 12s are 24 and 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are and 3 1s are. So overall what do we write? 2 power 3 into 3. So that now we can able to write as log 24 can be written as log, so that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, okay, instead of this writing also you can write direct step, no problem. So the log 2 power 3 into 3. So now it is in the form of, so there are two, one is x and one is y. So what is the x here? This is the x, this is the y. Already we know the identity. What is an identity? We have written in the beginning, okay. So when log x y to the base a can be written as log x plus log y, where to the base a and base a. So please observe here, log x into y, log x into y, we have discussed when it is product can be written as sum, okay. So the same way it can be expanded and written as, so what do we write? Log 2 power 3 to the base, what is the base? Nothing, okay. Log 2 power 3 plus log 3. So this is the answer where we can able to write. And one more step can be also written, this power can be written as multiplication 3 log 2 plus log 3. So here please you understand, from single value to we have expanded from 24 to like this. So log 24 can be expanded in this format. Here we applied the log xy formula and log x power m formula. So please understand the way of solving, okay. So let us see one more example, then we understand very well. So the same problem, let us do one more. Expand log 34, log 34. See, log 34. So log 34 can be written as 34. How can write 17 into 2 or 2 into 17? So it is in the form of, this is as nothing but x, this is as y. So it is in the form of product. So product can be written as sum. So that what do we write? Log 17 plus log 2. So here you can able to apply the law, that is xy is equal to log x plus log y. So this is the one identity. Okay, when in the problem he will give in this format where it is expanded form to the simplified form or short form. So just we have to go back to the same steps. Okay, so I hope you have understand of this, right? So one division problem we'll see. Expand log 34 by 15. Log 34 by 15. So here first upon, what is here? Log 34 by 15. How it is looking? Here x and here y. Between that there is a division. Division will be written as difference. So we have already discussed in the identity. So that now log x by y can be written as log x minus log y. So this is an identity. So then now we can able to write log 34. Okay, log x, what is x here? 34 minus, what is the y here? 15. So log 15. So we have first of all expanded. This is over. Now let us see if we can able to write off product of primes or some other number, right? So log 34 can be written as 17 into 2 minus, and here log 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Okay, so again here it is what's product. Product can be written as sum. So log 17 plus log 2 minus log 3 minus, here it is minus, so minus into plus becomes as minus. So that log 5. So this is the way of solving like expanded form to short form, from the short form to expanded form. So till now we discussed only the short form to expanded form, and next in another session we will continue and short form to expanded form, and so that we will solve the problems easy way. So I hope you have understand. So please observe it, what is the way and how we are solving up this one, right? Thank you for watching.